Once we have finished our face-to-face meeting with our leader, it's time for us to sign off on the results review. So thanks for joining us for this video demonstration on the sign-off and acknowledgement. When you receive the notification that you can sign off and acknowledge your results review, the next time you log into eMERGE, you will have a task listed in your taskbar. Now, sometimes you have so many tasks that they spill onto another screen, at which point you would click View All Tasks. And the task that you'll find, whether it's in your widget or whether it's in this All Tasks area, is Sign Off on Fiscal Year 17 Results Review. So we'll click on that link, and it will take us to the page where we can see where in the process we are. Again, we're at Step 7, Faculty Staff Sign Off, and we can review all of the information that has been completed and at this point discussed with our leader. So nothing is editable. We are just looking at what is there and making sure that we acknowledge that we had a discussion. So again, the goals section, the dimensions section, everything is there. Our faculty staff self-assessment as well as the leader assessment are visible to us. Any leader comments for the job essentials, and then any comments that the leader has for our overall, including their overall assessment. At this point, if we did have peer feedback, we can also look at the aggregate comments by clicking on the tab up on top, and we can click on the icon or dialog box then to see what the individuals provided. We were testing some of the system capabilities with this, so you can see a very brief answer there, but this is where you would see all of that information from those who provided additional feedback. So once we're done going through and reviewing everything that we want to review on this form, we get to the signatures piece. And the instructions here say, check the I acknowledge receipt of my review box, which is down below. And clicking the box does not necessarily imply agreement that you see 100% eye to eye with your leader on everything that was there. Really what it does is it acknowledges that a conversation between you and your leader has taken place. You can certainly add any final comments as it relates to the overall assessment, the process in a whole, whatever it may be, right into this final comment box. The main thing is that we acknowledge that we've received our review. And once we've clicked that, we can then just click the Acknowledge button, enter any comments we'd like to that go into an email that gets sent to our leader, and then click OK, and the process has been completed. Now we've completed our review for the year, and we can look back and find it anytime that we would want to go in and potentially see what our past results reviews looked like. And I will show you how to do that. If I just click on Home, I'll go back to my desktop or my landing page. If I click on the star for results reviews, then I can see my name, and I'm looking for the plan. And what I'm looking for is the Fiscal Year 17 Goal Setting and Results Review Final Review. So I'll double-click that, have it open, and I can see that I'm in my results review form to see my completed review. And that's how you navigate then back to see your review at any point that you want to go and look at it. So that's how we go in and acknowledge our review that has taken place. So thank you for joining this video demonstration on the acknowledgement sign-off of the results review form. If you have any questions, definitely contact the talent development team, and we hope that you'll join us for additional video demonstrations on the eMERGE system.